Welcome to SweetTalkSLP. I'm Krystle and I'm a pediatric speech language pathologist. Today is an unboxing video. But before we get started, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. Let's get started. I try not to post back-to-back videos that are the same. I had an unboxing last week, but I couldn't help it. I have another unboxing and I don't want it to wait for another week. So we will be unboxing this package together. So a few weeks ago, I pre-ordered this book from Panda Speech Therapy. Mandy of Panda Speech Therapy had a book release, and so she had a pre-sale. It is now live, so you can now purchase this book, and I'll link it down below. So let's open it up and take a look. First, that's my AC. I feel like every summer I'm gonna have to say this, but it's very hot in Texas, so you will be hearing that in the background because I will not turn it off right now. It was very well taped. It took me a hot minute to open up, but this is what the package looks like when you open it up here. So we have a thank you for your order card. There is a code to get 10% off your next purchase and instructions for the book. And so you can see the book is here. Ugh. In this bubble wrap, which A+ for packaging. So it's an interactive board book, which I'm a fan of interactive books. I think they're so fun. I like buying them, like resources from Teachers Pay Teachers, to make board books that I already have interactive, and so I couldn't help but purchase this. So Sheldon Goes Shopping is her interactive lift a flap book. But not only is it a lift a flap book, it also has these movable pieces. And so you can see here how beautifully colored it is. And let's see, we can lift it. And you can lift the flaps, and there is Velcro so that these pieces over here can be placed to complete the sentence. I found bread, and there's yes, no options on the side. I mean, what more do you want? Also, it comes with some printables, and so I will paste them on the screen here so you can see them. I've not printed them out yet, but this is what the printables look like that go with this book. So this book retails for $18.99. I just looked online right now, and so hopefully when I post this video, it's still the same, which is $15.99, which is a great deal. So you get this book for $15.99 plus those printables. I haven't used it yet, but I'm already in love. Yes, I'm already in love with it. And I saw on the website that you can purchase these like extra pieces in case you're afraid you're gonna lose it or in case you want extras. I'm not sure if it's just one set, but I saw it was $5. So I need to look into it, but I'm not sure how many pieces it is, but I'll put it up here on the screen. But look at that. I mean, congratulations, Mandy. This is incredible. I love that it's not too big. I will probably keep it in a zip bag so that way I don't lose these pieces. Do I have a zip bag here? A random one. I don't know if it'll fit in here. Yes, maybe. Ha! Ta-da! And then I may put it in, one of my food unit boxes or a food unit box that I'm planning to create. I may slip this in there, but now I don't have to worry about these pieces because I could keep it in this little zip bag. So very cute. Just wanted to highlight this because I love supporting SLP entrepreneurs that are creating products for SLPs out in the field. So I can't wait to use this. I'm sure that I'll review it in the future. And if you haven't already bought it, I think so far it looks like a great buy. So I would love to know if you've already purchased this book or if you've been thinking about it. It seems very durable, and like I said, I haven't used it yet, but I'm already a big fan. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope that you'll consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends, ring that notification bell. You'll be notified of my weekly uploads. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.